I really like you. Let's just start with that.
Thank
We
you.
all
I
like.
like you too.
I mean, I just want to quickly tell you that one scene of when that lady in the garden is ruining your happiness,
It's been
and
a
then you
Raj.
ruin her happiness back. I think that is just done in the most epic fashion, and I think talking about fashion in general and everything, we want to talk basics and more in terms of plus size fashion, big fashion.
Yeah.
So very quickly, we'll start with how are you today?
I'm good. I'm very good. It's been a Raj Jawan Hai day. Everybody who's been coming up to me has been only speaking about that show.
Yes.
So I like that. That means I'm doing something right.
Yeah.
And the fact that I'm here sitting with Amar and you, I think I'm doing something right also more. So I have always been victim to the plus size tag,
Yeah.
which I hate.
Yeah.
So I don't think anybody's plus size. I think everybody's just a size, right? Small size, big size, you're a size. Everybody's different. So I don't like people putting people in those boxes. You know?
I think one of the reasons why I think I have sort of a big personality is I was tired of people calling me big.
Yeah.
So that sort of became my defense mechanism.
Yeah. Someone just called me alpha yesterday. I said, yeah, I'm alpha.
Sure. Bring it on. So my first sort of question is beyond the curve, why did we need something like this?
I think I'll let Amar answer that question.
Well, first of all, thank you. Thanks for having me here. It's always a pleasure.
Sorry,
Being
I immediately was just chatting with Anjali. I just forgot all about you guys. Can we please
That
put our hands
happens.
up together for Amar sir? Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
Because I forget that. We all forget that Amar doesn't talk, and then I have to make sure Amar talks because Amar talks a lot of sense and I don't. So we need to have Amar
I
talk.
will disagree with
That's-
that. But please take on with the question.
Even I disagree with you. That's true. I'm happy to be behind the scenes. She's always been, I mean, as you guys know more about her. She's super energetic, and that's what she brings to Beyond the Curve. And to your question, why do we need Beyond the Curve? For the longest, fashion has, in fact, ready-to-wear fashion has defined a standard size sets, and anything beyond that standard size sets is an afterthought, right? And that's where the fashion has become something that would force you to fit in than stretch for you. And when we started talking to consumers, our own consumers who used to come to our product page and leave, we asked them why. I mean, what is wrong with the product? They said, no, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the product except that you just don't have our size. And we thought it was just grading up the sizes that we already have. It's only when we realized, when we started working on it, we realized it's not grading up, it has to be done grounds up. And it was an accidental encounter where
I call it a match made in heaven.
where a conversation about a vague idea turned into a very exciting action item for both of us. We both went back to our whiteboards and then we pinged each other and saying, I think we should do it. No better person than Anjali to actually take this movement forward, where fashion is not about fitting in, it's actually about making you feel empowered. It should not constrain you for your proportions. It should actually empower you to take up more space. And by the way, this is her line, I'm stealing it. That's why we love her.
I just like the fact that this exists and we have a choice, you know, and it's a start of a new journey. And it definitely just knowing the fact that this exists, it makes me feel someone's got my back. So that's a good feeling. Amar, if I had to ask you, you know, the making of BTC, the kind of endless nights, sleepless nights, early mornings, lots of coffees. I don't know. Are you a coffee person? Sorry, we'll start with that first.
I am.
Now, since we've asked you that, can we ask you, are you a cat person or a dog person? That'll be too much.
Dog.
Please do tell me what exactly went behind getting this up, running, and having goals that could be met.
I think I'll speak on behalf of my team here than me personally, because it's them who've been very, very excited about this project from day one. And ever since Anjali came on board, and the energy and the insights that she has been bringing into it. Even now, when backstage, she's giving us 10 different ideas.
I'm
and
really annoying them.
no, actually, no. We just love her. Our team has like Shubhra here. She keeps making content and she keeps taking notes.
You just said I have things I want to do with Anjali. I'm putting it up.
Shobrat, stop being naughty. What is this business? Please, yes, continue.
So I think one thing we have in common is passion, and especially in this particular space, she's been, I hate to say this, but a victim. And unlike everybody else, she's taken charge into her own hands and partnered with us. And so from day one, it's been collaboration, and we really did not see, like, I don't know if I should say this on stage, but I'll still say it. When we were actually inking the paper about the contracts and everything, from whatever the conversations I had with her, I said, none of this is going to matter. She's going to do much beyond all of this, and she's already doing it. Like, she has owned the brand more than us. For us, it's all about, see, for the one thing that the industry has not done right for curvy women is fit. And fit in most of the fashion companies is, it's a grid that everybody has to fit into. And
Stop it, Anjali.
Not tents and not balloon sleeves and not balloon clothes that make balloon people look more balloon. Fit, looking
Yeah.
nice, looking
Yeah.
sexy. Why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah.
exactly. So that's the reason why at Virgio, fit is not just some technical element, it's actually the respect, dignity, identity. And when she brought those elements onto on board into Beyond the Curve, it became a reality sooner than we thought.
It's crazy how ferocious you are about this
I'm
thought.
angry.
Yeah. You really are.
I'm super angry.
And that
because
just gives that's just very exciting. I don't know why.
Yeah,
I just
and
feel like
I'm
we should
out-
clap hands for this.
I'm out here with a vengeance because I have never had that liberty. Like, you go to, you have, oh, today I'm going on a shopping day. How many of you go out for a shopping day to a mall or anybody? See, even hamare log bhi haath utha rahe. But I said, it's normal for you, right? It's not normal for people like us because we can't just enter a shop and be like, mujhe ye acha laga, mujhe chahiye.
Yeah.
It's not fair.
Finally,
It's not
now we
fair.
have an answer though. With
Yeah,
Beyond the
like if
Curve,
I
so-
have a wedding coming up or something coming up with my office or anything in the next 20 days, I need an outfit. Now your पूरी जिंदगी वो आपके 20 दिन health में बीतेंगे कि मुझे ये outfit कहाँ से मिलेगा? So now people who are not the usual small, medium, large have an option कि I have to go to a wedding, I have to go to we are making even red carpet clothes. So red carpet from everyday clothes, from going to the park, going to office, everything. So now you have an option, you're taken care of.
That ownership is just fantastic. I think that just gives a lot of power to all sorts of people, and lots of people, I think, believe that we're progressive about size. I think we still have a long way to go.
Very slow.
We're very slow. But with Beyond the Curve, I think would you agree, Anjali, it's not just a line, it's a movement?
It definitely is.
Yeah.
It's a movement. It's also sustainable. So we are with the times and we understand consumerism. And we are not fast fashion, but we just make fashion for you fast. It's a nice line.
सारी अच्छी बातें कर रही है लड़की.
Thank you. Naturally.
Acting भी इतनी अच्छी, लाइनें भी इतनी अच्छी, wow, कपड़े भी इतने एकदम
I
टिच.
swear it just came to me. I'm not
Listen, well done, well done. Of course, because this is the Style Awards, and I have a couple of quick questions to ask about style in general. Who do you think in this world, it could be any celebrity, it could be in sports, in films, who do you think, Anjali, is the most stylish right now and owns up to
always, all my life, I think it's been Blake Lively.
Blake Lively? Yeah. How about you, Amar?
Very unconventional answer, Lewis Hamilton.
Lewis Hamilton?
He's
That's okay.
comfortable in whatever he wears.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. इसके अलावा आपके घर पे आपको क्या लगता है सबसे ज्यादा स्टाइलिश कौन है? मैं ही खुद को इंस्पायर करती हूँ. थैंक्स. और सबसे लीस्ट स्टाइलिश कौन है?
मेरी mom बहुत stylish थी since a few years ago. Now she doesn't care, but she still actually looks very stylish. Even though she wears like a black चादर भी पहन के आ जाएगी तो my mom will look great without any hair, makeup, nothing. So I
So
think
sweet.
it starts with my mom and then.
Are you just covering up for it right now?
No,
Because you
actually
just
I
said-
remembered कि नहीं माँ भी है. So I'm like mom, actually mom.
हाँ, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. Oh, मम्मी. Let me just
पर
talk
मैं
about
अपनी
her as
favorite
well.
हूँ.
Sorry. जिसकी वजह से मैं हूँ. अमर, आपके हिसाब से in your house, who do you think is this
I know
thing?
this answer.
What?
Divya.
Divya, my wife.
Your
His
wife.
wife.
Yeah. The last question that I have for you before we wrap it up, unless you have questions for me, which is,
Where are you gonna shop from tonight onwards?
I think I know the answer. It's probably Beyond the Curve.
Yay!
This has been the most subtle integration ever. The last question that I have for both Anjali and Amar is, if you could say one thing to the fashion world right now, the fashion world, all sorts of fashion trends, what would you like to tell the world and to all these trends that are there out there?
What would I like to tell them? I would like to say that keep going. There are no rules.
Yeah.
And we are coming.
Yeah. ये लड़की नहीं रुक रही, ठीक है? You might think there's a comma somewhere. No. Full stop वगैरह कुछ है ही नहीं. There's dot, run.
Very happily we are coming.
Very good. Very nice. Amar, what about you? What would you like to tell about the fashion world currently, and any trend that probably irks you or really you feel is for the good?
To every other brand, learn from us. To every consumer, try us.
Now you know why we are a match made in heaven.
I think it's fantastic. I love it. We are never ever deviating from what we're here for. The Bollywood Hangama, the Style Awards, the Icons, the panel, the entire day has been fantastic. But this definitely has been the cherry on the small, medium, large, XL, double XL, triple XL cake. So guys,
6 तक है हमारे पास.
beyond the curve, thank you to Anjali and to Amar. Any question if anybody has?
My name is Nisha.
Yeah.
I have been seeing you from a lot of very long time, from your serials actually. I had this question: whenever you go to a broad size or any clothing store, whenever there is a plus size section, you always get certain kind of clothes which are of certain type. Like maybe they are not revealing or maybe they are not trendy. So yesterday, that was my experience. I went to a store, I'll not name it. I was searching for a one piece, but actually there were no one piece. There were some certain kind of frocks maybe. So what is your take upon that? Do you want to change it?
Which is thank you for that question.
Yeah.
This is exactly why I got so excited when this opportunity came, because when I have something to do or imagine me, I am someone moderately famous and someone who has access to things. Even I don't have options. If I'm going for an event, I will get that one dress which बहुत मुश्किल से some one designer को मना के कि नहीं अंजलि को बना दो dress. They will make customize one dress because I cannot make it from off the rack. So they will painstakingly do that job to make me that one dress, and I have only that one option. तो अगर वो बिगड़ गया मुझे फिर भी वही पहनना है. So there's no option even for me. So now imagine a common person who goes to office who is just looking for a dress. Where will they get it? And every time, your question is very right. Every time I would enter these big fast fashion brands and they would have a plus size rack in the corner on the left in the side. एक rack होगा, उसमें थोड़े plus size कपड़े होंगे, bigger size के कपड़े होंगे, and it'll just be basics. It'll just be tunics. It'll just be very weird looking, non-fitted. There is nothing. There is no shape. There is nothing कि ये दे दिया तुमको पहन लो जाओ एहसान कर दिया तुम पे type clothes. This is not what we are doing. Every piece of clothing with us is going to be specially made and special. I was very. I gave a lot of bad days to these guys because I said that जो नहीं एक भी चीज़ अगर मुझे लगेगा कि I am not happy looking and this is not sparking joy in me, I don't want it in the line. Let's not put it. Let's not put anything for the sake of putting something out there. Let's put every piece should be well thought of. And we changed the entire outlook of the brand and we said we will launch a little later, but we will launch it nicely. And every piece will have meaning. It will not just be for the sake of putting it on a rack.
This is exactly what happened. Actually, after our shoot, she came back and we had a chat. We both were not comfortable with what was actually going out. And then we decided, okay, chuck it.
I didn't expect it and I met him the next day and he said, I'm stopping all production. I said, wait, what happened? You don't like it? And I said, no, cancel. Nikal do. Let's start again. And
this kind of courage and trust, I think is very rare, and I hope Anjali's answered your question. Beyond the curve is something which is there for everyone. ऐसा नहीं कि आप पतले हैं तो आप discarded हैं. ठीक है तो ज़्यादा बुरा मत feel कीजिए. Can you please put our hands up together for Anjali and Amar, and thank you so much for gracing us.
Thank you guys.